Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Project title Magneto Hydrodynamic Generator as a Green Energy. Firstly, the meaning of MHD is the magneto hydrodynamic. Magneto is a magnet, hydrodynamic is a moving fluid. So the MHD generator is a combination between magnet and moving fluid that produce the electricity. There are several fluids used in the MHD called as a magneto fluid, which is a salt water, liquid metal, and iron plasma. The concept of MHD generator produce electricity is similar with the conventional turbine generator. This picture of a conventional turbine generator. When a fluid moving through the turbine, it will rotate the rotor, and when the rotor is rotated, we cutting magnetic flux, and the current will be produced due to the magnetic flux has been cutting. Similar goes to the MHD power generator. When the magnetic fluid goes through the magnetic field, it produces the electricity. The problem related to the conventional gas steam turbine generator, there are two major problems. First is the depletion source of a petroleum, and second, the effect of burning petroleum to the environment. The effect burning of petroleum to the environment, the greenhouse gases from those the produced from burning of petroleum will effect on the deflection of ozone layer that lead to the global warming, climate change, and the rising of seawater level that may lead to biggest global flood. Others problem related to the gas steam turbine, there are several disadvantages of conventional turbine generator that can be solved by using the MHD generator. The turbine have a rotating component on the conventional turbine generator that can be solved by using the MHD generator. The turbine have a rotating component, example, turbine shaft, bearing, rotor, and coupling. The rotating component can generate the friction loss, vibration, and noise that lead to the reduce in the efficiency. Due to the complexity of the structure, the construction and maintenance costs considered high. Then burning of petroleum will lead to the pollution. The problem mentioned from the conventional turbine generator can be solved by using the MHD generator. In the MHD, there is no rotating component, so no friction, vibration, and noise produced that can lead to the increase the efficiency. The structure is simple, so the construction and maintenance cost will be low. The MHD generator can be installed on the existing gas steam turbine generator called as an integrated generator that lead to the increase the efficiency. Then we reduce the use of petroleum, lead to the reduce in a pollution. This table show the efficiency of the renewable energy. The result for MHD generator is the higher compared to others energy generation, which is around 50%. The data source from the International Journal of Advanced Electric and Electronic Engineering. So this is where we can install the MHD generator. We can divide it into two depend on the MHD fluid. First, hot gas, example from the aeroplane, car and ship. Hot gases from the industry chimney integrated with the available gas steam turbine generator. We also can install on the VAIS system and geothermal. Second, we can install on the ocean as a clean energy source. This is the original and novelty for this project. We can install on the tidal wave, on the ocean, flow stream, on the seabed, and also install on the moving ship, AUV, and ROV. The objective for this project are to prove the MHD concept. So this the experiment have been done to study the effect of parameter to the value of a current produced, which is the intensity of a nickel chloride solution, rate of magnetic field strength, and flow rate of a nickel chloride solution. This is the experimental setup. We have a pump that connecting to the MHD generator through the pipe. Then we have a multimeter attached on the generator to measure the current produced. We can see the schematic diagram. The pump will move the fluid to the MHD generator through the pipe, then the multimeter used to measure the current produced. This is the model for MHD generator. We can place a couple of magnet and we have we can place the positive and negative plate. This is the result. So A, B, C show the numbers of magnet used. The highest the numbers they indicate the highest strength of magnetic field. So from this graph, the higher the magnetic strength, the higher the current produced. The graph of intensity salt water versus the current produced. The 40% of intensity of salt water give the higher currents. The volume flow rate start from 1.48 to 0.96 and 4.4 meter cube per second. The current produced increase from 1 microamp to 1.2 microamp to 1.4 microamp as the volume flow rate increase. This is the project achievement. There is a one publication in IOP conference series and presenting on the international conference, then participate and win in a several international and national innovation competition. That's all. Thank you.